Hey guys, today we are going to the National Ford Parts Days. It's in Apeldoorn, Holland. We live in Belgium, so for us it's about a 3-hour drive, around 300 kilometers. So I hope to find some good parts over there for my Escort build. And in the meantime we can see a bit of Holland too. Okay, enjoy the video. So here we are on the Ford meeting in Apeldoorn. Firstly we went inside to look at the parts, and there were also a few cars there. I didn't film everything, but I filmed the cars that I found the prettiest, such as this Capri and this Escort Mk2 that I liked a lot. Then we went outside to look at the cars. Here I also found a few nice cars, such as this green Escort Mk1. I didn't see this green a lot, so I liked it very much. Then we went back to the front, and then there I saw a few other Capris and other Ford models. I like the Escorts and the Capris the most, but I can also appreciate a nice console or a Sierra. And at last I saw this very nice red Capri Mk3. I really like the interior, and I will show you that in a moment. And that's maybe some inspiration for a future project. Hey guys, so I removed the complete wiring harness from the engine and also from the interior. So as you can see, everything is pretty much completely removed at the moment. Also in the engine bay, everything is removed except from a few brake lines and so. But this is the complete wiring harness. Everything is labeled so that we know where to put it back later on. So yeah, now I'm going to try and remove the steering column and then maybe the axle. So this is the steering column and the steering wheel. First I'm trying to remove that, and after that maybe the axle from underneath the car. So I forgot that I needed to move the car around, so that's why I decided not to remove the steering and the steering rack and the rear axle, but I decided to remove the doors and also a few body panels, so I enjoy the time lapse.
Can we talk about me and you? Can we talk about the truth? I wanna know, I wanna know. Can we talk about me and you? Can we talk about me and you? Can we talk about the truth? I wanna know, I wanna know. Can we talk about me and you?
So here you can clearly see how rotten this car is. It's a good usable shell, but with the right body panels and repair panels. Luckily I ordered all these panels, such as the bulkhead repair panel, also repair panels for the rear and the front, also the door sills and so on, but that you will see in another video. After I removed the body panels, I started by removing all of the old paint with a paint stripper disc on a grinder. This was pretty easy and it went really good. There wasn't much filler or repairs on the car, so this was a really good shell, because you can sometimes have a lot of previous repairs that aren't done very well, but this one is a pretty good example. So enjoy the time lapse.
Where you look, where you touch, where you feel, yeah. Where you look, where you touch, where you feel, yeah. Can we talk about me and you? Can we talk about the truth? I wanna know, I wanna know. Can we talk about me and you? Can we talk about me and you? Can we talk about the truth? I wanna know, I wanna know. Can we talk about me and you?
So thanks for watching today's video. I hope you liked it. If you did, please like and subscribe and leave a comment down below. I try to reply on all of them, and I also read them. It's nice to see that a lot of you guys liked it, and also if you have subscribed already. So thanks for that. In today's video we finished stripping off the paint, and we also went to a nice Ford meeting in Apeldoorn. In the next video we will begin to start welding all the rotten pieces up, so that all of the rust is back to strong metal. And it will be a bit of a longer video because the welding took a few months, and I think that it will be interesting to watch video where there is a lot of progress. So that you will see in the next video. I also saw that someone commented that they have also an Escort Mk1. So if you like it, I think in a few videos I will give you a good look at my Escort Mk1, and we will make a small test drive in it. I will show you around the car. So that's also something for in the future. And in a moment I will give you another sneak peek of what I bought in on the meeting in Apeldoorn. It's a few small pieces, but I think you will like them. So, originally there was a full front bumper on my Escort, but I really like these half bumpers, so that's why I bought these. These are the original indicators on them, but we fully refurbished them, so they are back to original. And I also bought 2 new taillights, so these will also look really nice when the car is fully painted. So I also bought some other small bits and bobs, but these are the main things that I like the most. So thank you for watching today's video, and I hope I'll see you in the next one. Bye.